Students, we will be discussing some important parts. I'll revise them again. What we are going to study the points, you just concentrate on that. What is chirality? Chiral atom. Chirality. Okay. Then we have something called as optical isomerism. Then we have something called as optical activity. We have something called as dextrorotatory. प्लस रोटेशन आहे ना त्याचं किंवा डी दाखवतात. लेवो रोटेटरी. Yes, we'll be learning a very important point. Enantiomers. Which are also called as enantiomorphs. Enantiomers, which are also called as enantiomorphs. Are you okay? First, what is a chiral atom? A carbon can be a chiral atom. What is a chiral atom? An atom, for example, you can take carbon surrounded by 4 different groups or 4 different atoms. It's not necessary that they should be groups. It can be possible that they may be atoms as well. A carbon atom, precisely a carbon atom which is surrounded by 4 different groups or 4 different atoms is called as a chiral atom. Precisely on the board I have shown a chiral carbon atom. A chiral carbon atom is represented by an asterisk. असा एक asterisk काढायचे असते. Point number 2. Chiral atom which is present in a molecule, or we'll put here like this. A molecule containing only one chiral atom is called as a chiral molecule. So what is a chiral molecule? It is a molecule containing only one chiral atom. Next, a chiral molecule is a non-superimposable mirror image of itself. जो पुढचा चिराल मॉलिक्यूल असतो म्हणजे हा आता चिराल मॉलिक्यूल झाला. चिराल मॉलिक्यूल इज अ नॉन सुपर इम्पॉसिबल मिरर इमेज ऑफ इच अदर. म्हणजे काय अर्थ की स्टुडंट्स, मी लेफ्ट हँड आणि राईट हँडला एकामेकांवर जेव्हा ठेवते तेव्हा ते बरोबर एकामेकांवर बसत नाही. कळतंय? तेच तुम्ही ग्लास घ्या, ग्लासवर ग्लास बसवा, ते बरोबर एकामध्ये बसतात. हे कसे? एकाचा थंब एका साइडला येतो, दुसऱ्याचा थंब दुसऱ्या साइडला असतो. व्हेन आय प्लेस देम ओव्हर इच अदर लाईक दिस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नॉन सुपर इम्पॉसिबल. व्हॉट इज इट कॉल्ड? नॉन सुपर इम्पॉसिबल मिरर इमेज. तेच तुम्ही व्हेन यू टेक अ ग्लास and another glass, these are superimposable mirror images. हे कसले? superimposable. आणि मी जे सांगते बरोबर त्याचं उलट, that is non superimposable. Like the hands of the human body, they are non superimposable. Means बरोबर ते असे बसवायचे नाही. ही चुकीची पद्धत आहे. ह्याचा बरोबर it should overlap over this, which is not possible. So chiral molecules is a non superimposable mirror image of each other. Chiral molecule is a stereoisomer. कसला isomer? Stereoisomer. So what are you going to remember regarding chiral molecule? Chiral molecule is a molecule which consists of only one chiral atom. Chiral atom is the one which is surrounded by 4 different atoms or 4 different groups. Chiral molecule is non-superimposable mirror image of itself. It is a stereoisomer. Stereoisomer म्हणजे काय की no doubt the molecular formula जर सेम असेल तर त्याला isomer म्हणतात. Stereoisomer is one. The isomers where the structural formula is also same. All isomers where the structural formula is also same is called as a stereoisomer. आता नीट आहे का? I give you an example and then you will come to know. For example, we will put like this. We will take a chiral carbon. We will take these molecules. आता नीट आहे का? हा, I teach you some important things now. चिराल molecule is a non-superimposable. हा mirror, हा ह्याच्यावर बसत नाही because the left is considered as right and the right is considered as left. Students, such stereoisomers which have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different spatial म्हणजे in space, but different spatial arrangement of atoms around the chiral atom is called optical isomerism. I'll repeat, what are optical isomers? They are the isomers which have same structural formula but different spatial arrangement of atoms around the chiral atom and different spatial arrangement of around the chiral carbon atom are called optical isomer. म्हणजे दोनच पॉइंट लक्षात ठेवायचे. ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स आर स्टिरिओआयसोमर्स म्हणजे सेम स्ट्रक्चर, सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, बट द स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ atoms अराउंड द सेंटर atom इज डिफरंट. त्याला आपण व्हॉट वी कॉल देम एज ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स. कळतंय? ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स, आता हे बघा, हे दोन मी चिराल मॉलिक्युल्स काढलेत विच आर नॉन सुपर इम्पॉसिबल मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ हा मिरर मधला आणि हे ॲस्टेरिक म्हणजे कार्बन ॲटम आणि हे बरोबर एकामेकांवर उलट बसतात. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज चिराल ॲटम which is surrounded by 4 different groups or 4 different atoms? What is chirality? It is a property of organization of 4 different atoms or 4 different group of atoms. What is optical isomerism? Optical isomers are stereoisomers but with different spatial arrangement of atoms around the center atom. वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने atoms arrange असतात. Structural formula जरी same असला तरी. Next, optical isomerisms differ from each other. Structure same, molecular formula same. Okay, agree. But त्यांच्यात फरक काय? ऑप्टिकल दोन ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स कसे घ्यायचे? They differ from each other by means of a property which is called optical activity. To understand optical activity, we have already studied this. We need to learn what is polarization of light. To understand optical activity, we need to study polarization of light. What is polarization of light? If you look into light, it consists of electromagnetic waves in all possible directions, which vibrate in all possible directions. But when this ordinary light, it's shown like this, is passed through a Nicol prism. Nicol एक scientist होता. This is your Nicol prism. तात्पुरतं लक्षात ठेवा, मुलांना असं दिसतं ते. What is light? Light consists of vibrations in all possible planes. When such light consisting of electromagnetic waves in all whose vibrations are in all possible planes is passed through a nickel prism. The vibrations are restricted only in one plane, like this. This phenomena of restriction of vibrations of light in one single plane is called as polarization. So what is polarization? The vibrations of light are in all planes. When light is passed through a nickel prism, the vibrations are made to come only in one single plane. This phenomena is called polarization. Polarization is observed by this, we'll put it like this. This phenomena is called as what? Polarization. Neat aika. Students, when such a polarized light म्हणजे काय? ज्याचे vibrations already एकाच plane मध्ये आहेत. When a polarized light is passed through organic compounds like sugar solution, or lactic acid. I'll repeat. When such polarized light, पहिला त्याचं polarize करून घ्यायचं. Light consists of vibrations in all possible planes. You pass it through nickel prisms, the vibrations are brought only in one plane. Such a light is called as polarized light. When polarized light is passed through certain organic compounds like sugar solution or lactic acid, the polarized light appears to be tilted. हा असा arrow असतो तो tilted असतो. These compounds are, this phenomena is called optical activity. What is that phenomena called as? It is called as optical activity. And these compounds such as sugar solution and lactic acid are called optical, or we put it like this, optically active substance. So what are optical active substance? Which rotate the polarized light in one direction or in some other direction. The property of rotation of plane polarized light is called optical activity. The property of rotation of plane polarized light or polarized light is called optical activity. And the substances which exhibit the property of optical activity are called optically active substances. Some substances rotate the plane of polarization towards the right side. These substances are called dextrorotatory. Dextrorotatory म्हणजे उजव्या plane polarized light ला उजव्या बाजूला वळवलं जातं. हे optically active substances आहेत ना, they rotate the plane polarized light towards the right side. Such substances are called dextrorotatory. The substances which rotate the plane polarized light towards the left side are called levorotatory. Minus symbol for levo plus symbol for dextro. बघा हा टीचर परत एकदा रिवाइज करते and we will continue students. Then I will teach you what are enantiomers and enantiomorphs. Easy आहे. पण हा पार्ट जरा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, त्याच्यासाठी हे बेसिक्स कळले पाहिजेत. Chiral atom is surrounded by 4 different atoms or groups represented by an asterisk. A molecule consisting of only one chiral atom is called as chiral molecule. Optical isomers are stereoisomers, means same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different spatial arrangement of atoms like this. Hello, optical isomers म्हणतात. Optical isomers differ from each other by a property called as optical activity. To understand optical activity, you should know what is polarization of light. What is polarization? Light consists of vibrations in all possible planes. We are going to restrict the vibrations in one plane. That phenomena is called polarization, and that is obtained by passing light through a nickel prism. That's it. When polarized light is passed through certain organic, आता हा already polarized झाला, म्हणजे vibrations एकाच plane मध्ये आहेत. When polarized light is passed through certain organic compounds like sugar solution or lactic acid, the polarized light is either rotated towards right or left. This phenomena of rotation of plane polarized light is called optical activity. The substances which exhibit optical activity are called optically active substances. The substances which rotate the plane polarized light towards right are dextro. When the plane polarized light is rotated towards the left side, it is called as levorotatory minus. डेक्स्ट्रो म्हणजे हे ऑप्टिकली ऍक्टिव्ह सबस्टन्सेस असतात ना, ते पोलराइज्ड लाईटला लेफ्ट साइडला वळवतात. दॅट इज एल आणि मायनस. डेक्स्ट्रो म्हणजे राइट साइड प्लस, लेवो म्हणजे लेफ्ट साइड मायनस. दॅट्स इट. नाउ व्हाट आर इनॅन्शिओमर्स? एक पार्ट घेते. इनॅन्शिओमर्स आर द ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स. हे इनॅन्शिओमर्सचं एक एक्झाम्पल टीचरनी ऑलरेडी लिहून ठेवलंय. इनॅन्शिओमर्स आर द ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स बट विच आर नॉन सुपरइम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ इच अदर. हे ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स आहेत. कसं टीचर? बिकॉज द स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ॲटम्स इज डिफरंट बट दे आर नॉन, म्हणजे ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्सच आहेत दोन्ही. व्हाय? सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, सेम स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला, but different spatial arrangement of atoms. And one more property, they are non superimposable mirror images of each other. So the optical isomers which are non superimposable mirror images of each other, as are drawn on the board, are called enantiomers or enantiomorphs. Enantiomers हे काय असतात? They are the optical isomers which are नॉन सुपरइम्पोजिबल. फक्त ऑप्टिकल आयसोमर्स असून उपयोग नाही. दे शुड बी नॉन सुपरइम्पोजिबल मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ ईच अदर. दॅट इज कॉल्ड इनॅन्शिओमर्स और द substances are also called as enantiomorphs. When two enantiomers are mixed with each other, they neither rotated towards left side, neither rotated towards right side. Such a mixture is called racemic mixture. ओके, मी आता काय करते, पहिला इनॅन्शिओमर्स एकदा रिवाइज करते. Enantiomers are the optical isomers which are non superimposable mirror images of each other. Okay, त्यांचे properties आणि racemic mixture will continue in the next class. Okay मुलांनो, bye for today. चलो.